So yeah, this guy's super annoying. I can understand why it's like that, but I'm not debating the whole fact of the cervical adjustment. There's a whole technique out there, upper cervical. That's all they treat. You can walk in an upper cervical clinic and you've got debilitating low back pain, sciatica shooting down your neck. They're not going to go anywhere near your low back. They're not even going to go near your mid back or your upper back. It's going to be all cervical adjustments. So it's not like this guy's recreating the wheel or doing anything magical, but it sure does appear so if you were to ask him. So yeah, I totally get the arrogance. I totally get the annoyance. Maybe that's why his channel sucks now. Maybe that's why he doesn't get many views.